Alright, so let me introduce you to today's video! My ball joint popped out of its socket. Even though 3 months prior to that, we did a very thorough check, everything was good. So I was on the highway all day. I was driving probably about 140 kilometers, like distance-wise. Not speed. God, no. I was actually going under the speed limit for some reason. Only God knows. And I don't know how. I think it had a lot to do with my angels. I was fine all day, and at the end of the day, I was going about maybe 30 kilometers an hour down the street. Very slow. I don't even know if I really necessarily hit a bump, and yeah, just heard this horrible sound. And what it felt like, I literally said as I was driving, I'm like, I think my tire just fell off. And I was looking in my rearview mirror, my driver's side mirror, and I couldn't see a tire rolling down the street. Clay was with me, luckily, and he's like, pull over, because there's so much going on. And I was like, because I couldn't, like, when I hit the gas, like, I couldn't move, like, I could barely even brake. Like, it was just bad. Something bad happened. I just knew. So I immediately pulled over onto the corner and just had enough momentum to work around the corner, and then that's where she stayed. And I opened my door and looked, and my tire looked like this. And I just looked at it, and I got in the car, and old me would have started crying because that's scary. New me just said, I just thanked my angels that that didn't happen on the highway. You could look at a situation two ways. You could look at it in a very negative way, like, I can't believe this happened to me, this is going to cost a lot of money. Or you could say, I'm grateful to pay this money, and I'm grateful to be alive. So, for the first time ever, I called a tow truck, because I now don't own a Toyota. So that's what you get. You don't own a Toyota. Now I know! Although I've always known, but I will be selling this thing just because she betrayed me and I don't trust her. I never did right from the start. It's just bad vibes right from the start. But yeah, so we're on the Honda journey together right now. This will most likely be the only Honda I will ever own. So I know you guys, some of you guys have been following me since the Toyota pickup days. So check out this video here. That's an engine swap video. I did a series on it. It was actually like my first YouTube series. I did so much work to it. So go check that out. It is really, really well done. And you can tell I know nothing about mechanics too. Well, now I feel like I know quite a bit. So as you know, I'm a Toyota girly. That's just who I am, and I think I always will be. So long story short, I survived. Thank God. Thank my angels. Thank the universe. Here is us repairing the video. I mean, here is us repairing the vehicle, and luckily I had a nice warm shop to work in it too, because it was in the dead of winter. So enjoy me fixing this, and make sure you subscribe. Boys. Okay, so we are doing the strut, the 2 lower ball joints, the brake, what is it called? Flex hose, and the shaft axle.
Axle shaft. On the other side.
Axle shaft. Let's go!
Here we go. Actually, maybe I'll make it 5. Just give it a nice clean. Start hitting the backing plate, I guess. Playing it. Kind of hard to show the camera, but just starting a little bit. You can't really see. But starting to go.
Can I feel it?
Oh, this one. Oh, maybe I got the steering wheel locked. Wait till we get this. I'll show you when we get it out. That ball that's in there.
Yeah.
Right there. That ball. That's what sits in this cup. Here.
Okay.
So that ball sits in this cup, and then what happened is it popped out. That's all basically it happened.
How the hell did they pop out? That looks pretty fastened.
Well, they just get worn out, and then if rust and water get in there, it can just degrade the metal. This should fit. Just a light film of grease. Just a very light layer. Yeah, just sits like that.
That's it?
Cool. Yeah, we'll come over here. This is going to sit on there, and then we're just gonna press it in. Yeah, that should work. Theory. Just go in very nicely. Shit out of it. Some of this on here. Thanks. Where's the spine?
Oh, it's all the way.
Oh, just wait, it sits. Yeah. I don't think I need to use that. Done.
What did you... Oh, you put the ball joint in. That's
Yeah.
what it was. Oh, okay.
Put this. I can fork it after. So just clean some of the rest out, but it's actually not too bad. Just a little. Then
That locks it in place.
yeah, that's more of a security if it ever decided to back off, then it can't. So, just to get the alignment ready. So I'll get these in first. Oh, let me grab the right size. Jesus. Oh. Mess around with that one. Well, maybe a bit. There it goes. Easy. Okay, ready to do this one? Is that pickle fork was used previously to remove the ball joint, and it could have separated the boot, and now it's split open, allowing dirt and rocks to get in there and taking out the ball joint, pitting it, and removing safety, basically. So,
Yeah.
possible prognosis? I don't know. Not sure. That's good.
I think it's coming off.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Okay, well, after all of that, we got some lights on, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to clear. But I don't like it. It's put back together. I don't like you, and you don't like me, so we just gotta get along until you find a new owner, because I'm done with you. We're breaking up. We are broken up, Honda. Hondas, I figured out, are wannabe Toyotas. Everyone's like, well, Honda's like a Toyota. No, Hondas are wannabe Toyotas. They wanna be... I'm locking my door. Holy fuck, there's some sketchy people. Hondas are wannabe Toyotas. I can't believe nobody knows that. Crack the code. Crack the code. Anyways, what time is it? I don't even know. 9:48? Not bad. I'm fucking tired. Ah! Do y'all want to know why the fuck my car is falling apart? Because these fucking trash roads that we have here in fucking Canada are just garbage. They're just absolutely fucking garbage, okay? And I don't know why we have such high taxes, because it most certainly doesn't pay for fucking road maintenance. And then in the province I live in, we also have provincial tax on top of government tax, which should really pay for the roads. And the roads are even shittier in the province that I live in. And it's like, now I gotta spend, like, if my boyfriend wasn't a mechanic, guys, I would not have been able to have my car back on the road, which means I wouldn't have my car for my meeting this week, which means I wouldn't be able to make money. So how the fuck would I supposed to make money and be able to pay for my fucking car? You know what I mean? And it's like, it would be like, I don't even know how much to fix this. I think labor and parts and everything, it would have costed me almost $2,000. Do you know how much it costed me today? Because labor was free and they bought him a fucking coffee and some donuts. Costed me $500. Okay? I'm telling you right now, I do not have $2,000 sitting there. I don't. So what the fuck would I do? Oh shit, oh, I forgot I don't have ABS. Or do I? No, I don't think I do. Didn't feel like it. Anyways, yeah, what the hell, guys? Canada, get your fucking shit together before we all go on strike and move somewhere else, which is probably what you want, right? No, you don't want that because you want our money. Fuck Canada. Honestly, this fuck is stupid, man. I can't afford to fix my car, and I pay so much fucking goddamn taxes that it's like the roads fuck my car, and then I can't only not afford to drive my car or fix my car or buy a car, but yet I'm expected to work and I need a vehicle to work. So how the fuck is that supposed to work, Canada? Figure that shit out. Okay, done rant. And then I was in the drive-thru talking to myself, and then I just slowly, casually look over at the window, and the guy was just standing there. It's like, oh, don't mind me, just casually talking to myself. It's on debit. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Well, she's on the road, so cha-ching, $, she's for sale. Anybody want her? I'll give you a good discount of $39,000. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now because I think I need water. I need water. Okay, guys, this is so weird. My instincts took me down this street, and I just realized that it is the street where I broke down! Right there! Right there! That's where I broke down! Holy! Wow, it came full circle! So I would have hit like a bump like right there. Maybe this one? Maybe that. That's how gentle the bump was, and my ball joint went. That's actually that's a depiction of what happened. You know what? I don't need coffee anymore. I think I'm just gonna go to the shop for a couple hours a day because goddamn.